In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am going to delivering the remaining exercise of the first lesson, Pakistan Zindabad. In the previous lecture, we also solved the exercise, and today the remaining exercise will be solved here. As exercise 3, so here we are asked to supply to be verbs, present to be and past to be. Present to be, it means is, am and are, and past to be, it means was and were. So here I am going to define the few points that will you keep in your mind. So when there is a use of number, distance or time, they take a singular verb, and we also use singular verb with each, either, neither, every, or either of, neither of, or none of takes singular verb. Is in the first example, a reward of 50 pounds. 50 pound, it means a number. So now we have to use here is as a singular verb. A reward of 50 pound is offered. A great number of people. So here a great number of people. So here we will use a word presence, a number of people. Sorry, was present at the lecture yesterday. Why I use it here was because yesterday is in the past. So where there is a sense of past, we use was and were according to the subject. So here neither he nor I am in Spanish. I am Spanish. Why I have used it I am, and why I haven't used it he is? Because when there is a use of either or neither, we prefer to the last pronoun or noun. As the last pronoun is I have used it here I am Spanish. Both France and Spain are in Europe. So because these are connected, these both nouns are connected with conjunction and coordinated conjunction. The majority of students is in favor of holiday, because there will be use of is. Okay, here either is why I use is because either, neither takes singular verb, as I already told you. Is either of these books his? The districts of England. Okay, here the districts of England, okay, are known as counties, or because we have to keep in mind the subject districts is a plural, okay, that's why I have used it here. Or look, a pair of scissors, okay, a pair of scissors is why I have used it here a pair of, okay, scissors laying on the table. Okay, my trousers are too short, okay, or too short. For suppose I use a piece of information, okay, because whenever we use information, some information, okay, our furniture, information is a plural, uncountable nouns, we use there a plural verb. And whenever we use a piece of information, we use there a singular verb, like this, a pair of scissors. My trousers are too short. So here each of the children at the party, here I already told you each, every, and neither, either takes singular. At the party is given a present, is a given. None of my friend is very rich. Either of, neither of, none of takes singular. The theater as well as the cinema, okay, whenever as well as along with okay, use if there is a singular subject. The theater as well as the cinema is shut today. The news is bad loss. Sorry. So here was, because the last night is a past. The news was bad last night, and was and is, why here use is was this morning. Okay, this morning. His son and, okay, his son and heir. His son and heir is born, was born on August 6th. Okay, the position of an officer, the position of an officer is quite different from that of his man. What a lot of people are running down the street. There means a lot of takes a plural verb. The police are in blue uniform. Remember, the police is also a take a plural verb. Everybody is shouting. Everybody. Why every, each, either, neither, every takes singular verb. Everybody is shouting, and the crowd was getting wider and wider. Either a letter or a postcard is enough. Either, neither takes singular. Don't send a telegram. Every one of the sentences you wrote is wrong. Every. Okay. So these are the exercises we fill in this, where we use singular verb and where we use plural verb, where we use past verb and where we use, okay. Exercise 4. Using only simple present tense, put the verb and break into the correct. In this exercise, we have to use the present simple tense, and where according to it we have to use the verbs. Like this, first, when the third person pronoun take a singular verb, okay. For suppose it does. She does all her housework in the evening. Everyone, okay, has hobby. Mine and my brother, okay, mine and my brothers are stem collecting name, because mine and my brother are two different person. Mine means my, and my brother connected with conjunction. Which of these mountain roads? These are a plural form, so we use there a plural verb. Which of these mountain roads remain will be same, open in the winter. Which one? Here one is used as a singular. Which one of these mountain road remains open in the winter? Okay, my dear students. So I solve for 5 sentences, and the remaining sentence you have to done according to it. Neither you nor I. So in the earlier example we use it, we prefer, as I already told you, that we would prefer the last pronoun. Neither you nor I am, because we have to put here to be verb. To be verb is am in or. Good enough to pause the examination. Okay, the rest of sentence is assignment or homework for you. And exercise 5. Here material nouns. These are the kinds of noun and certain other nouns that are not used in the plural may be used with a much, okay, in negative, especially in negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, so it means according to the text, material noun and other noun that are used not in plural may be used in take a use of much, as we use as a many and much. And negative interrogative, especially particularly in negative interrogative sentences. And after how and to, how many students, for suppose how much petrol your car take, okay, or how much petrol your car consume. Okay, how much petrol means how much much uses how, and how also maybe use with many, and too many, too much use as well. They may be used with the units of measurements. Units of measurements के साथ use हो सकते हैं, e.g. pint, yard or ton, or with such a words a piece, bit, sheet, a pen, a glass, atom or news etc with a lot of. इनके साथ हम a lot of, a great deal of use कर सकते हैं measurements के हिसाब से. For suppose I have given the example, this dairy sells many liters of milk every evening. So here, because we have to remove the liters of milk every evening, so the dairy sells a great deal of. Here we can also use a lot of, because we remove the liters, a great deal of milk every evening. How many spoonful of sugar would you like in your tea? How much sugar? Sugar is uncountable. That you can use how much. If there is a noun is countable, you can also use many. Okay, remember or keep in your point. So rewrite the following sentence in the same way. Our daily newspaper contain many items of information. So our daily newspaper contain a lot of information. Here many items of we will remove. So we use a lot of or a great deal of. Okay. The milkman delivers many bottles of milk to our school every day. So what will be used there? The milkman delivers a lot of milk, okay, a great deal of milk to our school every day. Okay, how many liters of petrol do you want? So here petrol is uncountable, you can also use there much. How much petrol do you want? Okay, my dear students, the rest of sentence is assignment for you or homework for you. You can also done according to it. Okay, I think you have understand my point of views. So now the last exercise is 6. So here adjective participle use as adjective or sometimes use preceded by the definite article but without noun to denote a class of people. A plural verb is required. For suppose I sometimes invite poor people. Okay, remember we also use their article to represent the noun. So here I sometimes invite poor people. Invite poor people. Here the noun is people. If we remove the people, definitely we use the article with the adjective as I sometimes invite the poor. If you use the article with the adjective, you remove the noun. And if you don't wish to remove, you can also remove the article or use this noun. Only brave men make good soldiers. You can also say only the brave make good soldier. The brave, it means is understand or representing the noun. So here we use there only the brave make good soldiers. Rewrite the sentence using the adjective in italic type in this. So this is exercise for you, also homework. Okay, I think you have understand today's lecture, and you can also assign homework. You can do the homework according to given or according to it. So you can also prepare for the next lecture that will be on the lesson the brick and hand drill. Okay, inshallah in the next lecture we will understand the lesson brick and hand drill. Okay, thank you very much.